Hello guys, good day. It's your boy, it's your homie, Babes Vlogs TV. Now guys, today we're going to talk about the election campaign strategies about pulong-pulong or caucus in the barangay. Okay? So first rule here is that there should be no MC. Okay, but first anyway, the objective of this is so that we'll be able to finish the pulong-pulong where everybody can speak and in a limited time period and must not exceed 3 hours. Okay? Now, first we have to divide the team into 3 teams. Okay? Every team is must be led by the congressman, the mayor, and the vice mayor. Councilors are members of the team. Now, there should be no MC. Okay? The first speaker, except for the last speaker, should be introduced first by the timekeeper. Now, after that, he will be the one to introduce the next speaker. Okay? The next councilor, and the third and the fourth. Okay? So, after this first speaker on the one team, the introduce his next team member has to run towards to the next team, to the next venue, okay, of the pulong-pulong. Now, the same is true with the first speaker of the second team. So do is to run to the next venue. Okay, guys, here's the mechanics on that's the mechanics, and here's the time limit for every speaker. For the councilor, 5 minutes is already enough, okay, to talk about what's your plan, what's your programs, okay. And then for the councilor, the vice mayor, the congressman, and the mayor, 10 minutes, okay. In that way, guys, the team should start together, okay, at the same time, so that in that way they will be able to finish the pulong-pulong or the caucus together. Okay, so that's it guys for election campaign strategies about pulong-pulong. So don't forget to follow Germany Federico, Babes Vlogs TV, and follow my YouTube channel, Germany Espinosa Federico, or Speak Your Truth, or Free Elections. Thank you, God bless, and more power.